Amakosi have continued to strengthen their squad ahead of the 2026-2027 season with the arrival of Tanzanian midfielder Adolphe Mtasingwa Betejo from Azam FC. The 27-year-old joins Amakosi for an undisclosed transfer fee, becoming the club's third signing of the current transfer window following the acquisitions of goalkeeper Ronaldo Lina and defender Thabo Moloisane. Adolphe's arrival comes as Chiefs intensify preparations for the new campaign after completing a 2-week pre-season training camp in Spain. Under the guidance of new head coach Fernando da Cruz, the job provided an opportunity to assess the squad, integrate new faces, and refine tactical plans before competitive action begins. The focus now turns to the weekend's Toyota Cup, where supporters are expected to get their first look at several of the club's latest recruits. Chiefs will take on Zimbabwean side Scotland FC in what promises to offer an early indication of how Da Cruz intends to shape his team for the season ahead. With fresh arrivals strengthening key positions across the pitch, the club appears to be building a more balanced and competitive squad. Brandon Peterson remains the favorite to remain the number one jersey after an impressive campaign last season, although Lina's arrival is expected to provide genuine competition and push standards higher in the goalkeeping department. In midfield, Adolphe is widely expected to make an immediate impact, known for his defensive discipline, composure in possession, and ability to dictate the tempo. The Tanzanian international could form a well-balanced partnership with the experienced Lebohang Maboyi. Such a combination would allow attacking midfielder Duduzi Shabalala greater freedom to influence proceedings in the final third, where his vision, movement, and creativity can unlock opposition defenses. Further forward, Amakosi are still in the market for an established striker before the transfer window closes. Until then, Wandile Duba and Asanele Velebai are tipped to occupy the wide attacking roles, while Flavor Silva is expected to spearhead the attack. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.